Almost looks OEM, eh? Good thing it's not all rusty. Alright boys, got it parked here. Probably gonna stay here for a little while until I find a donor or a really good deal on a used engine or something that's as complete as possible. Maybe I can just pull it myself from somebody's wrecked truck or something. I don't know, I'll keep an eye out on auctions. Maybe something good is gonna come up, but for now I'm just gonna sit here. And pretty cold right now, but once it warms up I want to get up under there and do a decent inspection. And whenever it does warm up, probably be a good idea to get all of this get it inside, let it all warm up. I kind of don't know how much hardware I have, but I'm assuming all the hardware should be in these 3 things here, because there's not much of it in the bed under the parts. So, but yeah, gotta lay it all out, get a decent inventory, write down everything that is in there, what's missing, and probably watch some YouTube videos on people taking these apart and putting them back together and get a good idea going of what it is I gotta do. So I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is my first ever diesel pickup truck, aside from a diesel Jetta and a Kenworth T600. I haven't owned any diesels, so the whole lifting the cab off the frame and stuff is new to me, so that'll be fun. Gotta figure it out. And then once I find parts, well, I guess pick back up. I just figured I'd do a quick little interior inspection since I'm here. I haven't really looked at it too much. I did find another key though, so got 2. That's nice. And yeah, I like it. I like that sunroof too. I'm wondering where all the floor mats went. Good thing here. So when the forklift was bringing this truck out, this was like really twisted. So it kind of scared me for a moment. And when he put it on the trailer, it still was crooked. So I just got in the bed. I was kind of looking through parts. And I did this. And check this out. I don't know if you can see that. I'm shaking it enough. You know, I ain't that fat. But anyways, that cab, super loose, like ultra loose. So, just thought that was interesting. Kind of calmed me down there. Because I was worried that there was some kind of underlying issues there with the frame, you know. But climbed in here to take a look around. At some point I had found a bolt on the deck of the trailer, and I just now realized that they put this pipe here, which I didn't realize. I didn't see it. And the bolt was holding the transmission, and literally, dude, for the whole entire ride, or for some of it, this whole thing was just rocking around. And that road was bumpy. So over here it chewed up the wiring. And over here, that bent up that pipe. So that kind of sucks that this transmission was just bouncing around, but yeah, I should have seen that. But in any case, just poking around, looking at things, seeing what's here, what's not, you know. But it all looks pretty good so far. But yeah, little puzzle.
Awesome. So cool. This one here doesn't have much more than push rods and head bolts, it looks like, and whatever pieces of valve train that is. There's a few things in here, some tubes and stuff. So, I don't know. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking the only way out of this mess is me finding a donor vehicle. I'm thinking that's about it. I'm gonna find me a smash truck. Let's check out the fog. I'm not taking a piss. That's the truck taking a piss.